There's a moment when you earn your first $1,000 and everything feels different. You feel proud, excited, like you're finally moving forward. But here's the truth. Most people stay stuck at this level, not because they can't earn more, but because they never change how they think. Because the real difference is not the amount of money, it's the mindset behind it. Let me explain this with something simple. Imagine two people. Both earn $1,000. Same money, but completely different outcomes. The first person sees $1,000 as money to spend, so they upgrade their life. A better phone, more comforts, more lifestyle. And by the end of the month, it's all gone. The second person sees $1,000 very differently. They don't ask, what can I buy? They ask, how can this grow? That one question changes everything. Because now money becomes a tool, not just something to spend. And this is the $1,000 mindset shift. It's not about the number, it's about the thinking. Most people increase income, but not mindset, so nothing really changes. They earn more and spend more and stay in the same place. But people who grow think differently. They focus on assets, not appearances. They delay rewards for bigger results. And slowly, it compounds. That's how wealth is built, not by big jumps, but small, smart decisions every single day. So, next time you earn money, pause and ask yourself, is this helping me grow or just making me feel good? Because that answer will decide your future. That's the real shift, and that's what changes everything.